Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add question sticker to your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we can create a story on Instagram. Click on this plus button and go to story section, and I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm just going to pick a random photo, for example, this one, guys, and click on the sticker button. And since we want to add question sticker, we can select questions. Okay, and here you can write the question. I'm just going to use this one, use this default, and then I'm just going to click on done. And then we can zoom in or zoom out. Actually, I'm just going to make it smaller. We can also change the color. You can click on the color like this. I'm gonna go with this one, this black color. Okay, once you're ready to share this story, you just need to click on your story, and then the story will be uploaded to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can add question sticker to Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.